Lesson 11-3, Example 2. Our objective is to understand and be able to locate and graph points on a coordinate plane. We're going to focus on how to find the location of points in a coordinate plane in this example. So here we have a coordinate plane. We have our x-axis, and we have our y-axis. Now, one of the things we want to look at on our x-axis, for example, here's where 0 is. That's our origin. And from 0 on a horizontal number line, when we go to the right, we go into positive direction. Going to the left goes into the negative direction. The same thing happens on our y number line, except this one's vertically. So here's 0. When we go up, we go into the positive. When we go down, we go into the negative. And so when we're writing points, we use coordinates. And those coordinates are always in parentheses. X always comes first, and then comes y. So whenever we think of that, whenever we look at a location of a coordinate, the x comes first, and then the y. For example, if I'm trying to find out the location of point C, I would start on my x-axis, and I'm always going to start at the origin, right here. So I'm going to move along my horizontal number line until I get right above or below C. So I'm going to start here, and C is located over here, so I'm going to move to the right until I'm directly above C. I'm going to stop there, and that's 4. So my x location, my x coordinate for this point is going to be 4. Now I'm going to move down to my y coordinate. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to go down, go 1, 2, down, and that is at -2 on the y-axis. So I would say that this point is located at 4 on my x-axis and -2 on my y-axis. And then I'm going to put that in parentheses. So the location of point C is 4, -2. Let's look at point A. Point A is over here in quadrant 3. And again, we're going to start at the origin, and I'm going to move over until I'm right above A. So I'm going to move to the left this time, which means I'm going into the negatives on my x-axis. So -1 and -2. I'm right above A at -2. So I know that the location of this point is at -2 on the x-axis. But now I have to find out where it is on the y-axis. So I'm back up here, and I'm just going to go down until I get to point A, and that is at -3. So if here I am, I'm up here at -2 on the x-axis, and I start here, and I go -1, -2, -3. So on the y-axis, it's -3. So the location of point A is -2, -3. Let's try it again with location for B. So I'm going to start at the origin again, and B is located over here in quadrant 2. So I'm going to move left again on my x-axis. I'm going to move, and I'm right underneath B right here. And being right underneath B is at -3. So I know that my x coordinate is -3 on that number line. Now I'm going to travel up. I have to go up on my y-axis. So I'm here, and I'm going up 1, 2, 3. I see right there, that's that 3. I'm right on that line. So I know that that coordinate is -3, +3. Let's take a look at one more. Let's say I had a point that was right here. We'll call that point D. I'm going to start on my x-axis again, and I'm going to move over until I run into X, or until I run into point D. So here I'm at 0, -1, -2, -3, and -4. So my X coordinate is going to be -4. Now, I want to go up or down on the y-axis until I run into point D. Well, I'm already at point D. I don't have to go up or down. I'm exactly at 0 on the y-axis because that's right here. And I'm right on that 0 point. So I know that the location of point D is at -4 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis.